Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. One very important feature in Canva is cards and invitations. Different kinds of invitation cards, postcards, education cards are available. When you click on cards and invitations, you can first invitation cards. You can see that these are the invitation cards, and you click on it, marriage invitation and things like this, program invitation, nikah invitation, wedding invitation. Different kinds of cards are available, and you can create things like this and change according to your own choice. When you click on it, you can change its text. Click here, you can change this image. Click here, you can change this image. Click here, select this text, change the address. Address can also be changed. So in this way, when you click on share, you can download this card to your PC and use it commercially to sell it out. Second thing is card. When you click on the cards, different kinds of cards are available here. Personal cards, commercial cards are available. You can see that these are different kinds of cards available. Happy birthday, thank you, commercial cards. You can change and create cards of your own choice. Postcards, click on postcards, and here you can see that these are the postcards of different kind and shape. When you click one of it, you can see that these cards are available, and you can choose a card of your own choice, and you can change its color, you can change its text, its icon, its graphs. Everything is very easy to change. You can play with it. Here, click on it, change, click here, change, click here, change the image, and you can place image everywhere. So these cards are easy to create. The third thing here is postcard. I think you may have learned cards and invitations, how to create cards and invitations, and how to generate cards of your own choice. Thank you so much for watching this video.